His goal in life was to be an echo, riding along town after town, toll after toll, a fixed banner through the great Southwest to forget her. She appears in his dreams, in his car and in his arms, dreaming anything. A cheap sunset on the television set could have said, but he never could.